conceptualize, produce, and write like every record. Me and Nova work the hooks, then they're mixed and mastered by Evan. This is homegrown. Shout out all the rappers who have thrown stones. I'm a die rich while your casket full of broke bones. I ain't gonna respond to all your disses, look, I get it. Your videos get no views, you say my name and people click it, but I'm different. You need clout and you're desperate to make a living, but my bank account already full. I counted 7 digits like fuck y'all. Attack me with this is a track all the critics. I'll laugh at predictions, surpass all the limits. The whacker, the rapper, the more he's angry by the fact that I'm winning. I'm stacking the millions, distracted with witness like cancer in children. Hey, no playlist, no pay clicks, no fake shit. Rappers call me gay cause my braids pink. Yo, main bitch go crazy, so wasted. Front row at my show, I'm her favorite. I'm famous, they basically hate that I'm dating. Give people in a day that they pay on their paycheck. I'm patient, but say my name again. I ain't playing, I'll buy the place that you stay in. Then raise the mic to the space in your parents' basement is vacant. They call me privileged, I can't admit that I'm gifted. I did it without a label's assistance. I made the business decisions, I overcame the addictions. Lived in the streets, got evicted, kicked it with killers and strippers. But still my vision was different. I bought a mic, started spitting, produced the beats and I mixed it. I turned my hand into a fist and flipped the bird to the system. I prayed I finish my mission and keep my image consistent. I fixed the parts that were missing and switched the gas and the pistons. It's mathematics and physics, I had to travel the distance. I had to add some ambition and then subtract my suspicions. I wanted castles and riches, headed for caskets or prisons. I battled glasses and liquor and cabinets packed with restrictions. And still these fucking rappers wanna sneak this all over my Facebook. Always trying to tweet shit. I ain't gonna keep this a secret. My marketing genius. The algorithm triggered by exploiting your weakness. And y'all can call me clickbait and gimmicks. I call me rich. A million monthly listens on Spotify. Google the network of rappers hating and I don't respond. Middle finger